All right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, June 29th, 2018. And today we're going to look at the cattle market. We're looking at August live cattle. That's going to be LEQ8. That Q is, LE is the symbol for live cattle. Q is the symbol for the month of August. And then 8 is, of course, the year. So LEQ8 or symbol or slash LE for the continuous contract. And we've been watching this pattern very closely here in cattle, trading in this narrow sideways channel here since April. If you have any of our courses or material, you know that the narrow sideways channel is one of my favorite patterns for trading the futures markets, as they can lead to explosive moves. In conjunction with the narrow sideways channel, we also have a 1, 2, 3 bottom in play. Notice here on the daily chart, we are looking for fresh 52-week lows to begin the 1, 2, 3 bottom setup. So we got that here on 6/15. We traded up higher, retesting the top of this channel, giving us the number 2 point as indicated by the red arrow. We came back down, gave us a number 3 point, which is indicated by the blue arrow. So the number 3 is essentially a higher low without taking out the number 1 low, which is here. If we were to come down and take out that number 1 low, that would void this potential pattern and we would start the count over. So now that we have a 1, 2, 3 bottom confirmed, we immediately know our profit objective as well as our risk. Our risk goes down here below the number 1 point. More conservative traders can rest the stops below the number 3 point, and then our target is right here at this red line at 114.85. It's the distance between the number 1 and the number 2 point, which is, we got 107.65 is the number 2. We have about 100.65 as the number 1. That's about 7 points. We add that to the high of the number 2, or the breakout long, and that puts us up here at 114.85. Additionally, if we do a simple fib retracement from this swing low to this last swing high, notice that that is also a 50% retracement of this move. Historically, markets will retrace 50% of their last swing move, so that is a target we will be looking for. Lastly, if we take a look over at the seasonals, did a presentation this past weekend for the folks over at Trade Thirsty, where we went over this 1, 2, 3 pattern in conjunction with seasonality. The red line up here is the 5-year price average. This turquoise area is the current price. Notice that as we move into the summer months, we typically move to the high side. We can get further confirmation of this of another tool I use. Notice down here is the 10 and 15-year price trends. So we get a bump higher going into late June. We pull back going into July, and then we move higher into August. The 1, 2, 3 pattern has been very profitable for our members at Seasonal Swing Trader. Notice here in the members area, we closed out roughly $10,000 of profits in May trading the 1, 2, 3, about $7,500 in April, almost $1,400 in March, about $25,000 in February, and $20,000 in January, just trading 2 contracts in the futures markets, trading the 1, 2, 3 pattern. So it truly is one of those bread and butter strategies. And when we see a high probability setup such as the 1, 2, 3 coupled with basic technical analysis and seasonality, that is called putting the odds on your side. Now, of course, you don't have to buy cattle outright. You can trade the futures options, which is what we like to do. We'd be looking at trading the December contract to give us enough time for the trade to work out. Buying anywhere here at the money, maybe going 1 strike out of the money. Each point is worth $400, so you take the premium, you'll see, multiply it times 400. Now, I don't believe TOS allows for trading in the meat, such as cattle and hogs, so if you're looking for a platform to trade futures and futures options, reach out at support@seasonalswingtrader.com. Have a great 4th of July for those celebrating, and we'll see you on the next update. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets. as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.